Hi children, welcome to class 6th. In this video, we are going to see the poem Trees. Standard 6, Subject English, Term 1, Unit 2. Topic of the poem is Trees. Page number 125. This is a memorized poem. So children, listen carefully. Children, all of you know about trees, isn't it? Yes. Tell me some names of trees. Mango tree, tamarind tree, banyan tree, peepal tree, jackfruit tree, papaya tree, etc. Isn't it? Okay. Before we move to the poem, let us see this picture. What do you see? This is the Adaya banyan tree. It is a very good tourist spot nowadays. Everybody can visit that because it is supposed to be biggest banyan tree in the world for few years back. It is 450 years old. It has covered the area nearly 60,000 square feet. That much is a big and strong tree. Okay children, if you get a chance, you can visit that place. Okay. Now, let's read the poem. Trees. Listen. The banyan is the largest of trees. The people curse in the breeze. The coconut grows up straight and tall. The neem tree's fruits are very small. The tamarind gives us pleasant shade. The date's leaf is as sharp as a blade. The teak tree gives us useful wood. The mango gives us fruit that's good. This poem was adapted poetry by Shara Coleridge. Okay children, now you can see the glossary. Quirce meaning shakes quickly, pleasant, enjoyable. Children, I am going to explain the poem. Listen. The banyan is the largest of trees. Banyan tree means alamaram. The banyan is the largest of all the trees. People spend their time under the shade of banyan tree because it is very big tree compared to other trees. Next, the people curse in the breeze. People tree means arasamaram. The people tree shakes very fast in the breeze of the wind. Breeze meaning gentle wind, tental cut. The coconut grows up straight and tall. Coconut means tenne maram. It is very tall and straight tree. The neem tree's fruits are very small. Neem tree means pepa maram. Neem tree is big but its seeds are very small. This tree is very good for medicinal uses. The tamarind gives us pleasant shade. Tamarind means puliyamaram. It gives us pleasant shade to relax. The date's leaf is as sharp as a blade. The leaves of the date trees are as sharp as a blade. The teak tree gives us useful wood. Teak tree means teak maram. Most of the furniture at home will be made by teak wood. It gives us wood which is useful for all of us. Last one. The mango gives us fruit that is good. Mango is a king of fruit. It gives us fruits which are good and tasty to eat. It is considered as a national fruit in India. Okay, children. Now let us see the rhyming words. Trees, breeze, tall, small, shade, blade, wood, good. Children, this poem has explained 8 trees such as banyan tree, peepal tree, coconut tree, neem tree, tamarind tree, dates tree, teak tree and mango tree. Isn't it? Children, we all know trees are very important to us. They give us a lot of things to us. Without trees, we cannot get rainwater. So, we have to plant trees in our surroundings. I hope you all understood this poem. Okay? Yes. Please study the poem and memorize it. Thank you.